In front of me is Honor Magic 6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then click on All Services. Tap on Autofill. Autofill with Google. And the switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, this switcher and all of my features are gray. That means that autofill is off, but you can always switch it back on by tapping on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!